Good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in to Dear Sybersue. I'm Susan McCord. Today's topic is, why are so many women difficult to date today? This is a question that I received from Adam on my advice column, so I'm going to read you what he said here. Hi Sybersue, I'm pretty much done trying to date anymore. I'm 30 years old and all I meet are women who have a sense of entitlement attitude. Their expectations are through the roof. Aren't there any down-to-earth women out there that just want a normal guy? I frequent many different venues, but all the women seem to be the same. I do have an attraction to beautiful women who are under 25. Do you think that could be the problem? Thank you so much, Adam. Well, Adam, you're right about one thing. Dating is very complex today. It's not the way it used to be where you just met everybody organically. You do tell me that you're going out and meeting them that way, so that's a good thing. But I think what's happening is you're going to venues that are attracting these type of women that just aren't working out for you. They're not maybe ready for anything in a relationship status, and they're looking to have some fun at your expense. Now, you can tell pretty quick whether somebody is materialistic and they're only after your wallet, or they're only after you taking them to really nice establishments, etc., etc. You can tell pretty quickly. And you say you want a down-to-earth woman, but you're contradicting yourself because you're going to places that have this clientele of 25 hot women. Your first thing to change would be your environment, where you're hanging out. Make sure that their actions and their character and everything is also attractive, because if you're just going for 99% outward appearance, of course you're going to have the same results. You're not getting to know them. Try maybe even online dating for a little while. Maybe that's something that could work for you. We get stuck in these repetitious patterns, and then we get angry about what isn't working for us. What we're not understanding is we're the ones in charge of who we're letting in. So being frustrated and not wanting to date anymore, it's kind of your doing here. Sorry to be frank, but I think this is something that you have to own and say to yourself, okay, how am I going to change my dating and be happier about the choices I make? You're going to change up what you've been doing. You're not going to repeat the same type of women that you date. This is, I think, your biggest issue right now, is you just have this type and you walk into a room and boom, there you are, looking at that same person that you see all the time. There has to be more than just good looks in a relationship. Looks fade. Personality, character, great traits, those things stick around, and that's what you want, because when you are with somebody over the years and they make you laugh, you have fun with them, you're adventurous with each other, you love them even more as time goes by, because they are a part of your life and you're evolving together as a couple. It's not just superficial attraction. There's everything, the whole package is there. You know, sometimes we don't realize that we are a little high maintenance ourselves, and maybe we have a sense of entitlement that that's the kind of person we deserve. We're not going any less than that. And that can be part of the problem as well. You're 30, so you're getting a little bit more into the age group where you might be thinking about marriage down the road or having kids. So this is really important to change your attitude now, because you want to meet the right partner. You want to meet somebody that you can share your life with and have an emotional connection with them, not just a physical connection. So improving your dating skills and owning some of your past choices are really important moving forward here. I would also suggest that you don't take women out for expensive dinners when you first meet them. Go for coffee, go for a walk, get to know them, see if there's anything that you can have a conversation about outside of just being physically drawn to them. This is going to be a learning curve for you, but it's worth taking the time to understand it. There are many attractive women out there that don't have a sense of entitlement and that aren't high maintenance. They're career driven, they've got a life, they're independent. And sometimes this can be very intimidating to men. The thing with women who are together and independent about who they are, they're easy to be with because they have their own life as well. They want to be with you, they enjoy being with you, but they also have things going on. You have things to talk about because you're both living a little bit individually, but you're also good together. And that's what a lot of people are not understanding right now. They think that a strong woman is a tough woman. It's not necessarily that way at all. I understand that things are so different now between men and women. Men don't really know where they stand. What am I supposed to do? What am I not supposed to do? Just really listen to a woman that you're attracted to or you're on a date with. Just have nice conversations. Get to know her first before anything else transpires. Take the time to understand who she is. Don't make a quick judgment call. Just go and enjoy being with people of all different career backgrounds, all different, whatever they look like on the outside. Change everything up. Because when you meet somebody that's got their shit together, it's so nice for you because you're not there to have to be their support system, the whole 9 yards all the time. When somebody's high maintenance or they have a sense of entitlement, you're constantly having to cater to them. And how fun is that over time? They're not offering anything to the relationship, they're just taking. And you want to meet somebody that's give and take with you. And that's what you're looking for here. So don't give up, Adam. Just get smarter with the choices of women that you choose to date. To avoid any financial issues on a date, as I said earlier, just go for a walk or go for coffee. You don't need to spend an expensive amount of money on somebody you don't even know. And this will also, you'll figure out pretty quick whether they're there for the wallet or whether they're there to actually get to know you and meet a partner. Some people, some women just want to go out and date and have fun and be taken out for dinner and spoiled. And that sounds like maybe the type of women that you have been dating. So change that. Just understand, I want someone of substance. I want someone who's got all the bells and whistles. I'm attracted to her, she's got her life together, and she's looking for a partnership. Understand what it is you're looking for first before you go out dating. Because if you don't know what you're looking for, you're going to keep going through the same issues. Thank you so much for writing, Adam. I really appreciate you taking the time to do so. Please leave any comments below that you can help Adam with here. I'd love to hear from you. And please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.